Hey guys, in this video we are going to checking out the top 5 best tattoo rotary pen review in 2022. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay update latest technology reviews. So let's get started. Number 5. Janam Tattoo Rotary Pen. The Janam Tattoo Rotary Pen frame made aluminum alloy CNC fine carving body, durable non-slip silk, not deformation, weight 125 gram, stroke 0 to 3.5 mm. Comfortable to hold and allowing you keep a tight hold without hurting your hand for a long time working. This tattoo rotary pen equipped 10-volt 10,000 RPM Japanese motor, continuous operation, low noise, long-lasting stability. Used for lining and shading, unibody rotary machine pen can be compatible with most power supply and cartridge. This LED power supply by Romlan is built for artists and will provide clean, stable power for any of your machines, improve your machine reliability and efficiency. Built-in short circuit and leakage protection to connect two machines at the same time and provide quick and accurate voltage adjustments. Number 4. Onekit Tattoo Rotary Pen. The Onekit Tattoo Rotary Pen is made from high-quality superior aluminum alloy, high hardness, and lightweight, exquisite workmanship. It is not hot after long time work. A powerful motor and an advanced gear system make it continuous operation. Ergonomic pen handle is comfortable to grip, help you control machine pen in high puncturing power and frequency. It also this tattoo power supply LED display built-in magnet for easy mount on metal surface, perfectly used for tattoo beginners or professional tattoo artists. The Phoenix Complete Tattoo Kit for beginners, including rotary tattoo machine, 1 PCS power supply with cable, 1 PCS tattoo practice skin, 40 PCS assorted sizes cartridge needles, 1 PCS tattoo tape wrap, 20 PCS tattoo ink cups, 200 PCS tattoo pen covers, 7 PCS tattoo ink, and other tattoo accessories. Number 3. Toughking Tattoo Rotary Pen. The Toughking Tattoo Rotary Pen frame made aluminum material, hand grain anti-slip design, finer than most common machine, lightweight, continuous operation, low noise, long-lasting stability. Compatible with all tattoo cartridge needles. It also rotate the tattoo gun grip to adjust the needle's depth. 10,000 RPM, strong and powerful. Available for shading and lining. Stable operation between 8 to 9 volt with RC Accord connection. It also professional power supply. Digital ultra bright LED screen makes it easier to read, provides more accurate readings. It also has input and output voltage protection to protect you and your machine security. It's an ideal liner tattoo machine and color packing tattoo machine, great for bold lining work, color packing, and solid color work in general. Number 2. Mast P10 Tattoo Rotary Pen. The Mast P10 Tattoo Pen machine made of aluminum alloy, lightweight with a cordless battery, easy to maintain and replace. The Mast P10 Tattoo machine is simple structure. Whether eyebrow or regular tattoos, it has smooth lines when tattooing, especially in making black and gray patterns works. The Mast P10 has custom Mast coreless motor. This rotary tattoo machine simple, classic, and the most suitable machine for precise line work, black and gray shading, solid color packing. Gives a possibility to pack faster, more quality, and less trauma. Perfect tool for tattoo artists. It also halo power supply is with LCD digital display which show clearly the working condition. Number 1. Toughking Tattoo Rotary Pen. The Tattoo Rotary Pen is made of premium aluminum alloy, high hardness, and lightweight. The pen is used the latest 10-slot eccentric wheel to ensure the long service life. This tattoo machine features powerful DC motor and advanced gear system that guarantees you tattooing comfortable. You can use this tattoo pen rotary machine to do tattooing, permanent makeup, etc. This tattoo power supply LCD display built-in magnet for easy mount on metal surface. It also user-friendly easy voltage adjustment and change voltage. This rotary tattoo pen has a cool shape, runs great, and feels very comfortable in your hand, perfectly used for tattoo beginners or professional tattoo artists.